Happy Navratri. I hope you guys are having lots of fun. So tell me something, have you ever collected those buttons you get when you go and buy new clothes? I have like a huge collection of them and you must be thinking what all she keeps on collecting. But anyways, this time I have really surprised myself. So why don't you go ahead and watch my hashtag button jugaad. First up is an elegant bracelet. For the button bracelet, you will need a few loops, a hook, a chain, some buttons, round nose plier and a cutter. So first, measure the length of the chain around the wrist. I have taken a chain from an old belt that I was not using anymore. You can get that bit separated by opening the loops. After this, we will now attach the loops to the buttons. We will open the loop and slide in the button. You need to repeat the process for all the buttons that you have. Remember, the number of buttons you use will depend on how heavy or light you want to make your bracelet. Next, we need to attach the loops to the chain. Remember to close the loops tightly with the plier, as this is one of the things that will determine the durability of your bracelet. I have attached 2 buttons per chain loop. This is how your buttons will look on the chain. After this, we will put the hook on the chain. For that, open one loop and insert the hook through it. Add 2 such loops to the hook and close the loop tightly. Now open the loop at the end and attach it to the chain. Once that is done, take the other end of the chain and attach several loops to it. If you want, you can also attach a few buttons to the loops. These loops will help you close the bracelet with the hook. And here it is, your pretty bracelet. Yay! Next up is a vintage neck piece for all you ladies. For the necklace, you will need a variety of buttons, fabric glue, a chain, few loops, a hook, buckram fabric, a cutter, a pair of scissors and a plier. So we will first cut a piece of buckram fabric in a rectangular shape. Now let us take the buttons, and if there are loops behind the button, make sure you cut them to make them flat. Better still, if you have flat based buttons, you should use them. We will now place the buttons on the fabric. I'm gonna place them in a neck shape, but you can choose to arrange them in your style. Once the shape is finalized, it's time to stick these buttons with some fabric glue. After this, mark the boundaries and cut off the remaining fabric. Now we will need another piece of the fabric of similar shape to which we will attach the chain. Let us now attach the chain to the neck piece. You need to stitch the loop of the chain to the fabric. Repeat the process on the other side as well. Then we will stick the second layer of fabric at the back of the necklace. After this, we will put a few loops on the chain, and on the other side, we will put the hook. And there you go! Your pretty neck piece is ready! Woohoo! So guys, I hope you liked today's episode and do drop in your comments and tell me which of my button jugaad did you like the most. I hope I've surprised you all. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel #Jugaad for more such videos. By the way, thanks a ton for following me on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, but if you haven't yet, the buttons are right below. This is Monica with #Jugaad. Share it, like it if you love it. Bye-bye.